This is a guided walk from the Hollows Farm Campsite to the summit of Castle Crag. Castle Crag is the smallest of the 214 Wainwrights, standing at 270 metres or 885 feet. Head towards that little bridge and cross it, and then from there you will eventually come to another bridge, which is this one here. Cross this bridge, and once you get up the banking, make a right. So keep following this path up. You'll see a little bridge to your right. You don't need to go over that unless it's been raining, because this path will be clear if it's dry. And keep heading up, and eventually you will come to a gate. I would say this route is quite an easy route and perfect for taking young ones up. There are a couple of steeper parts a bit further up, but it's nothing too strenuous. There are some great scenic rock features on your way up, just to your left. This path, it does veer off to the left. You follow it up and eventually you'll get to this wall where there's a couple of steps just up into the gap. The camera doesn't show it very well, but this bit is a little bit steeper. Just keep following these steps up. Eventually you'll come to the top of the steps where you'll find these few steps. You follow this path round here and through this gate. The path ahead veers off steeply to the left. Follow this path and you'll come to a huge pile of slate. This is that big pile of slate, and there's actually a zigzaggy path which leads you up to the top. Now you're at the top, you can either go straight ahead and explore the slate quarry, or you just veer off right here, which takes you up to the summit of Castle Crag. This is the path that veered off right. It is quite steep. You've got to make your way through a few trees, but you're on the home stretch to the summit. You've made your way through the trees and you've now got a flat walk to the summit cairn. The summit cairn also has a memorial stone on there. Feel free to go and have a look and have a read. Now we've hit the summit, we're going to take the same route back down. This bit might just show you how steep it actually is to walk up the slate path. So you've just come down here, you now need to make your way this way and you'll head towards the gate. Head through the gate and follow the path which leads down some steps, and you will then continue down more steps until you reach the wall. Once you've got through this wall, follow the path which will eventually veer off to the right. Keep following this very easy to follow path and you will eventually come to a gate. Eventually you will see a little bridge to your left hand side, but again you don't need to cross that unless there's been a lot of rainfall. It's all downhill from here, and you'll eventually come to another bridge on your left hand side. Cross the bridge over the stream and follow the path which goes left. This path will lead you to another bridge, which is this one here. You cross this bridge and you should, to your left, be able to start seeing the campsite. And you're now back at Hollows Farm Campsite.